Hi everybody, I would like to thank you all for your support to me and to our channel. Yes, we are one big family in this channel. Thank you for more than 8 million views and more than 120,000 subscribers to our channel. This YouTube Silver Award is yours, not mine. It's for all of us together. I made more than 100 OBGYN videos on the channel. That makes me very proud and more insistent to reach 1 million subscribers next year. I'm really surprised of the great influence of our channel. In just few months, I have received many emails from women all over the world describing how this channel changed their lives and made them aware of OBGYN issues. They are thankful for encouraging them to take their screening tests and avoid all risk factors. They are happy because this channel helps them to live a healthy lifestyle. Every time I read one of these messages, I feel very proud of what we have achieved together. I have a good news for you. I'm going to create one more OBGYN English channel to reach more women all over the world. I'm planning to make both channels the biggest OBGYN channels on YouTube. Let's achieve more goals, and don't forget to follow me on YouTube, my Facebook page, on Instagram, and thank you again. Keep following. Goodbye.